So now we're going to focus on, since we've done the maintenance on the light bulb, you can see we're getting cloudy again on our lens. So we're going to clean that right now, and I use a couple of different products for doing that. Alright, so I've experimented with different products over the years, and I found that no one product does it absolutely perfectly. But I use a combination of two different products, the Blue Magic and the Meguiars plastic. So the Blue Magic does a good job of cutting through the yellow grime the most, and then the plastics kind of takes it from there and cleans house. It's like your relief pitcher. So I start off with it here on the terry cloth, and I just apply it in a circular motion. Get a nice even finish. Next I flip it over to a nice clean dry spot on the towel here and just circular motion wipe it off. Give it a good vigorous circular motion rubbing, get it all off. Now here you can see how dirty this cloth gets here. And if you haven't done this in a while, it's going to take you at least 2 applications of the blue stuff before you even get to the plastics there. So I've done 2 applications here, and it's okay, but that's where the plastics will come in and get all the rest of that stuff off. Okay, so now we've got the plastics here ready to go. And the key to this, to all of these products, is to remember to put it on wet and buff it off while it's wet. Don't let it dry on the lens, or you are going to be busting your butt trying to get this stuff to come back off. And the more often you clean it and you keep your headlights cleaner, you won't have to work as hard to scrub them clean. So here goes. So now here I am on the second application of the plastics, and look how dirty it's still coming off. And you can hear the squeaking. When you hear it squeaking, that's how you know it's getting clean. So here we are after I'm done with this second application here of the plastics. This is now the 4th cleaning I've done on this lens with 2 towels and 2 different products. So you can see how it doesn't ever really work with one product, although every one of the manufacturers out there will make you think that their stuff is the best and then it takes one application. Nah, it really doesn't. And you can compare this to how it looked. See how the lower lens looks there? So we're going to tackle that one next. Well, you can see how crystal clear that got just after the first application of the blue stuff on the lower lens here. Okay, so now this is the plastics, and you can see there's not much dirt left to scoop off of there. So this thing has really come crystal clear. Do you remember how foggy it was just a minute ago? Now both of our lamps are nice and clear. So it just goes to show you how much work you got to put into it. So if you do it like every couple of months like I normally do, you won't have to work so hard. This one here, I can't remember the last time we did this, so yeah, the longer you wait, the more you have to work to get it off. If you maintain it, it'll be perfect. And here's a side view showing just how crystal clear those lenses got. And so, you know, like I said, if you can do this once every month or two, you'll only have to do just the plastics by itself without the other deep cleaning stuff. Now over here on the driver's side, we'll do a little before and after. Here's what it looks like now. And there it is afterwards. So you can see down below how the lower lens there, that was really filthy, came out nice. So this is the way you want to maintain it. And as usual, don't forget to tune into our website, carbuyingtips.com. If you decide to unload your car and go buy a new one, our website will teach you everything you need to know about buying new cars, buying used cars, selling your used car, and all the scams to avoid. Have a great day, folks. See you on the next one.